चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
For now, we switch to more news break that is just coming in. Note this is in reference to what happened at the airport where Kangna Ranaut was slapped by a CISF constable. We'll just put out that breaking, but more news break coming in. This one in relation to a meet which is happening at Nitish Kumar's residence. So a parallel development there. All newly elected JDU MPs have been summoned by Nitish Kumar. Sources tell Republic that this meet is set to begin at 9:45 a.m. So while the JDU MPs have begun arriving at Nitish Kumar's Delhi residence, the center of discussion is also going to be the Agniveer scheme and the UCC issue, which is going to be rigged up by the JDU MPs with the BJP top brass. So from what it appears, Agniveer scheme and the UCC issues are the bone of contention between the JDU and the BJP at this point. Other than that, the JDU is also looking to make demands which includes a special status for the state of Bihar. Sources even tell Republic that the JDU is eyeing some of the key portfolios, which includes the railway ministry as well. We'll try and go across to Prakash as well, but yes, sources tell Republic that the JDU has been eyeing the railway portfolio, agriculture portfolio, and special package for the state of Bihar. In fact, KC Tyagi has also specifically mentioned that caste census is also something which is going to be taken up with the BJP in the days to come. But the primary demand of the JDU at this point is to get that special status for the state of Bihar. We will go across to Prakash as well to get us more details of the JDU meet which is happening. For now, tracking other news and brief from across the country. A regular bail plea of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in Likagir is set to be heard in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court today. This comes after Special Judge Kaveri Baveja of Rouse Avenue Court had dismissed Kejriwal's plea, seeking interim bail for 7 days on medical grounds.